In this video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic right now, currently making a falling wedge. The question is are we going to break out this falling wedge? We are at the end. For those of you guys who don't know what a falling wedge is, it's when it gets tighter and tighter and tighter, and the range gets smaller and smaller and smaller. The last time we saw a falling wedge, sorry guys, was right here. This was the falling wedge happening, and guess what happened? We exploded to the moon. And of course, guys, if you like these daily content and crypto updates on Terra Luna, Bitcoin, Ethereum, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, share it with your friends and family, and let's get straight to business. Now, we know that the target of the falling wedge is usually right here, the top of the wedge or wherever it started, which is currently sitting right now at 0.58 or 0.0058. The question is, are we going to make that nice little move? If you guys are in my Telegram signal channel, you know that I made a call signal right here. It was approximately right here. I made the call signal. It was somewhere around this area, and I said to long. So if you are longing up until here, you are up, guys, a whipping 18% since my call, and we can make another 60% move, but of course it is not guaranteed. First, we're gonna have to break out of this region, of course. But of course, guys, you are banking right now, currently buying the bottom, which is very, very, very fantastic. If we have a look on the daily time frame real quick and we open the EMA ribbon exponential moving average, if you guys remember my call yesterday, I mentioned that this was a beautiful, beautiful bounce and that we were gonna pump soon. Now, of course, I also did make a video yesterday saying Terra Luna pump soon. A lot of you guys said this guy is spotting, this guy is BSing, this guy is overhyped, this guy doesn't know what he's saying. And look what happened, guys. We are up approximately 24% in the past 12 hours, which is very, very fantastic. Also, another thing I want to have a look at, guys, is the volume. The volume is up 65% in literally the past 24 hours, which is a very, very good sign. We know what happens when the volume is high. A lot of people are interested. And yesterday in my live, I also mentioned, guys, that high volume is very, very good. People are interested in this coin. People are still trading this coin. Therefore, it's very, very good what's happening, and this is why I called a pump. Now, if the volume was decreasing, it would be a whole different story. The market cap is still 2.275 million, which is very, very good. And don't forget, guys, we got inflation numbers coming out later today. In approximately 2 hours from now, guys, in approximately 2 hours from now, we have the CPI index coming out. Now, we know what happened right here on when the CPI formula or numbers came out in August 10th, 2022. We saw Bitcoin and crypto and altcoins exploding. They absolutely exploded. So right here, before I get into Luna Classic real quick in just a second, this is exactly what happened on August 10th, 2022. Right here, we exploded. Since this was the CPI candle, we came down a little bit and then took off. And this is exactly what is happening right now. We came down a little bit and we're most likely going to take off. So these patterns are repeating itself. The question is are we going to see that breakout that Ethereum? Are we going to see that pump that Ethereum is doing? If you guys aren't in my Telegram signal channel, you know that I made a call on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, and on Luna. So going back into Luna Classic real quick, where can we go? Well, if we go back into the 4-hour time frame, and of course, guys, we did get rejected right here by the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame. But let's take that for a second. If we go back and we redraw these exponential, not the exponential moving average, but the lines real quick of the falling wedge, we know that right here a break and a closure above this falling wedge would be very, very bullish. Right now, we still did not close. Of course, the CPI candle or the CPI index does come out in 2 hours, and right here, this candle ends in 1 hour and 38 minutes. So if the 4-hour time frame does close above this area right here, this would be a clean confirmation for a long. Of course, having a look at the stochastic RSI, there is no question we're looking very, very bullish right now. The blue is flipping over the green, over the orange. A lot of momentum is happening. We are exploding right now. We are pumping. We are thriving. And the question is really we're gonna have to see if we're able to close above this region right here, which ultimately would be 38. Right now we're sitting at 36. I think we will, but guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, and that's about it. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame real quick, on the 15-minute time frame, and see what's up. So on the 15-minute time frame, we are looking pretty good overall. I mean, we did have that nice little closure above this this resistance right here, but of course, guys, it's not really a good closure because on the 4-hour time frame is a better confirmation essentially. Now we exploded right here, nothing too crazy. It's okay to have a little bit of a correction. Maybe we're gonna have 2, 3, 4 red candles right here. Maybe we're gonna print some sort of bull flag before continuing back up. So on the lower time frame, we're obviously gonna be a little bit overbought, and investors they're going to be looking to take profit essentially. I mean, if you guys saw my signal, I mean, we are up, guys, 18%. So people will be taking profit. I mean, this happened literally in an hour and a half to 2 hours after I did the signal. So this is exactly what's happening right now. At the moment, we are retesting this resistance or the support, which previously resistance, which is now support. And it seems like we're getting rejected as I am speaking right now. So it seems like Terra Luna wants to recover and remake that bounce. The question is when will it happen? Is it going to happen in an hour or 2 hours from now when the CPI inflation numbers comes out? Or is it going to happen literally right now? We're going to have to see. Bitcoin is looking pretty good overall. I do want to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. Let's have a look on the 1 hour time frame real quick, guys. On the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is doing a horizontal symmetrical triangle right here. So as we know, this is very, very bullish. And what would our target be? What our target would be is if you take this from the bottom and you extend it at the top, this would be the bottom. As of right now, it seems like we're going to be closing above it. 36 minutes and 10 seconds is when the 1 hour candle closes. It seems like we are trying and attempting to make a nice little beautiful breakout. Target should be 22,000, 23,000, which is approximately a nice little 2% pump from here. Of course, if you are in my signal group, once again, you know that with 3x leverage, this could be anywhere between 6 to 8, 15, 20% pump. And my target, of course, is anywhere on top. I'm not going to say it right here. You guys will have to join the Telegram group. And of course, if you want more insight, you could join the VIP channel. And that's about it, guys. I mean, this is my target right here. The ultimate target for Bitcoin should be right here, 22,962. After that, we're really gonna have to see what happens overall. But guys, I mean, things are looking very, very bullish. I think that on a medium term, we are still bearish, but on the short term, we are very, very, very bullish. So we're really gonna have to see what happens. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like, smash the subscribe. If you guys like this daily content on Lunc, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.